Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faisha Anataya Ilham. I'm in 3rd grade from Al-Muchtari Islamic Boarding School. So, after a lot of activities, your face needs nutrition that can be done through skincare. And now, I will show you how to do my skincare routine at night. The material is facial wash, mask, serum, moisturizer, lip balm, and the last, tissue. Okay, the first step is use face washing soap. And the second steps, clean your face using clean water. And the third steps, dry your face using a tissue. The fourth steps, use a mask. Just wear it for 10 to 15 minutes. And rinse your face immediately. After that, dry your face with a tissue. The fifth steps, use a serum. I use the serum for acne because my face is acne. The sixth steps, use moisturizer to keep your face smooth all night. And the last steps, use a lip balm. So your lips don't dry out. And that's my next skincare routine video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.